stop scrolling. Yes, you. Don't skip this because I'm about to call you out a little. Every summer you say, this is my glow up summer. And then, same habits, same skin, same random outfits, same I'll start tomorrow energy. And suddenly, summer is over. Be honest. But listen, this video is not that typical drink water, be confident nonsense. I'm gonna show you a realistic but powerful summer glow up where you actually fix your skin, smooth your body, upgrade your outfits, and build habits that make you look like that effortless Pinterest girl without spending a lot of money or doing anything crazy. And no, this is not overnight magic. But if you follow even 70% of what I'm about to show you, people will notice the difference. You'll feel it yourself. So don't just watch this like every other video. Watch it like you're actually ready to change something this time. Because every part of this video is connected. If you skip, you're literally skipping your own glow up. Now come on, let's finally make this your real glow up summer. Glow up key number 1, face care. Okay, bestie, now this is the part everyone waits for, the actual skin glow. And listen, don't skip because this is not your basic use face wash and moisturizer talk. This is where your skin actually starts looking different, especially in summer. Oily skin, random acne, tiny bumps on your forehead, dullness. It's not because your skin is bad. It's because your body is literally overheating from inside. And nobody talks about this properly. So before you start applying 10 products on your face, we're fixing it from inside. And I'm gonna give you one drink, just one, that can change your skin completely if you stay consistent. Not overnight, not in 2 days. But if you drink this every morning for 1 month, your skin will look so clear, so calm. People will literally think you got some treatment done. Ready? Take a glass of lukewarm water, add a few fresh mint leaves, a pinch of turmeric, and squeeze half a lemon. If you have aloe vera juice at home, add 1 to 2 spoons of that too. Mix it and drink it first thing in the morning. That's it. It sounds simple, but this combo? It cools down your body heat, helps with digestion, reduces acne, and slowly clears those tiny bumps that just don't go away no matter what you apply on your face. And I'm not even joking right now, please. I'm saying this like a best friend. Try this for just 30 days. Don't skip. Don't be lazy. And if your skin doesn't get better, come back to this video after a month, comment, and unsubscribe. Yes, I'm that confident about this. Now, let's talk about what you're putting on your skin. Because if your skin is already irritated and you keep using harsh stuff, you're just making it worse.
Oh, no!
We're keeping it simple, but effective. First, a calming, cooling mask that actually works. Take some yogurt, add a little honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply a thin layer on your face, leave it for 5 to 7 minutes, and wash it off before it fully dries. This helps with tanning, soothes your skin, and gives that soft, fresh glow without irritating it. And please stop ignoring basic skincare. You don't need a 10-step routine. Just a gentle cleanser, a light moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. But do it daily. Consistency over everything. And wait, I have one more thing that most people don't use, but it makes such a difference. A DIY cooling toner. Take rose water, add a little cucumber juice, mix it, and store it in the fridge. Use it on your face once or twice a day. The moment you apply it, your skin feels fresh, calm, and it gives that subtle glow that looks natural, not oily. And sunscreen. Bestie, I don't care if you're going out or sitting near a window, just use it. Because there's no point in doing all this if the sun is just undoing everything. So don't overcomplicate it. You don't need expensive products. You need the right habits. Fix your skin from inside, calm it from outside, and protect it daily. That's how you get that clean, clear, effortless summer glow. Not by randomly trying everything you see online. Glow up key number 2, body care. Okay, bestie, now come here, because this is the real body glow up. Not that basic scrub lotion routine everyone keeps repeating. I'm talking about fixing your actual summer skin. Like right now, tiny bumps, body acne, uneven tanning, rough texture. Skin that just feels dull and tired. So we're not covering it, we're correcting it step by step. First, understand this. Your body's skin is not bad. It's just congested and overheated. Summer heat plus sweat plus oil equals clogged pores. That's why you're getting those tiny bumps and back acne. So instead of harsh scrubbing, we're going to clear plus calm plus smooth your skin. Start with this. In your shower, use a gentle body wash, anything mild. And take a soft cloth or loofah and lightly cleanse areas where bumps are common. Back, shoulders, arms. Don't scrub aggressively, because that actually spreads irritation. Now here's the real treatment part. After cleansing, take a small amount of plain yogurt and mix in a pinch of turmeric and a little sandalwood powder if you have it. Apply this as a thin layer on areas with tanning or bumps. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, not more, and rinse it off. This combo helps calm inflammation, reduce tanning, and slowly smooth out texture. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Now for those stubborn tiny bumps, this is something most people don't tell you. Your skin needs gentle exfoliation, not aggressive scrubbing. Instead of rough scrubs, use something like a soft exfoliating glove or cloth once or twice a week. It removes buildup without damaging your skin barrier, which is key if you want smooth skin long term. And listen carefully, moisture is what actually makes your skin feel soft, not scrubbing. After every shower, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply a light moisturizer or a few drops of oil. This locks in hydration and gives that natural soft glow. Dry skin always looks more textured and dull, so if you skip this step, nothing else will fully work. Now tanning. Don't expect it to disappear overnight, but you can definitely fade it. Apart from the mask, keep your skin protected. If you're going out in the sun, even a simple sunscreen on exposed areas like arms and neck helps a lot. Most people ignore body sunscreen and then wonder why their face and body look different. And body acne, biggest mistake people make is wearing tight, sweaty clothes for too long. You don't need to overthink it. Just change out of sweaty clothes as soon as you can and keep your skin clean. That alone reduces breakouts a lot. And here's a small but powerful habit. Don't pick or touch your bumps. I know it's tempting, but it makes it worse and leaves marks. Let your skin heal. So your focus is simple. Clean your skin gently, calm it with soothing treatments, keep it hydrated, and protect it from more damage. No overdoing, no harsh experiments. And then just one small reminder. Wear breathable fabrics so your skin can actually stay calm and not trap sweat all day, and keep basic hygiene in check. Do this consistently, not perfectly. And I promise you, your skin will slowly start looking clearer, smoother, softer, like you actually take care of yourself. Because real body glow is not instant. It's built, step by step. Glow up key number 3. Outfit ideas for summer. Okay, bestie. Now, this is where your glow up actually starts looking visible, your summer outfits. Because, let's be honest for a second, you can do all the skincare, body care, everything. But if your outfits are still giving random t-shirt and anything I've found energy, the glow up is not glowing. So we're not doing boring outfits this summer. We're building that soft, dreamy, aesthetic vibe where you look put together without even trying. Like people look at you and go, there's something different about her. That energy. First thing, stop overcomplicating outfits. The most aesthetic looks are always simple, but intentional. Think light colors, soft tones, whites, pastels, baby blue, light pinks, beige. These colors literally reflect summer. The moment you switch from dark, heavy colors to lighter shades, your whole vibe feels fresher and more glowy without doing anything extra. Now here's the real trick. Fit over fashion. I don't care if it's trending or not. If it doesn't sit nicely on your body, it's not giving aesthetic. It's giving confusion. You don't need expensive clothes. You just need pieces that fit you well and feel comfortable. Slightly loose, breathable fits always look more effortless and soft compared to tight, uncomfortable outfits. And bestie, layering in summer? Yes, but smart layering. Like a light shirt over a basic top or an open button-down. It adds depth to your outfit without making you feel hot. It's giving Pinterest without trying too hard. Now, let's talk about the small details, because that's what makes an outfit aesthetic. Clean shoes, minimal accessories, maybe a simple chain, cute clips, or a neat hairstyle. You don't need to overload it. In fact, the more clean and minimal it is, the richer it looks. And please, take care of your clothes-wrinkled outfits, faded prints, or clothes that look worn out instantly kill the vibe. Even a simple outfit looks expensive when it's clean, well-fitted, and styled properly. And here's a little mindset shift. Don't dress to impress others. Dress to match your own vibe. Some days you'll feel more soft and girly. Some days, more chill and comfy. Build outfits around that. That's what makes your style feel real, not forced. So your goal of this summer is not to have more clothes. It's to style smarter. Light colors, good fit, breathable fabrics, minimal clean details, and that effortless confidence. Because an aesthetic outfit is not about how much you wear, it's about how well you carry it. Glow up key number 4, healthy habits plus confidence boost for summer. Okay, bestie. This is the last tip, but low-key the most powerful one, because you can fix your skin, upgrade your outfits, take care of your body. But if your habits are still messy, lazy, all over the place, your glow-up will never feel complete. It'll look good for a moment and then disappear. So this summer, we're not just glowing up on the outside. We're becoming that Pinterest girl from the inside. The one who feels calm, put together, and actually in control of her life. First habit, fix your mornings, not your whole life. Stop trying to be perfect from day one. Just start your day without chaos. Wake up, don't grab your phone immediately. Yes, I know, it's hard. Drink water, freshen up, and do one small thing for yourself. Maybe skincare, maybe a short walk, maybe just sitting in peace. This sets your tone. If your morning feels rushed and messy, your whole day follows that same energy. Second, move your body daily, but don't make it a punishment. This is not about extreme workouts or forcing yourself. Even a 15 to 20-minute walk, stretching, or dancing in your room counts. Movement in summer helps your body feel lighter, improves your mood, and gives that natural glow. You feel active instead of lazy, and that changes everything. Now let's talk about laziness, because summer equals heat equals zero motivations. So instead of saying, I'll do everything later, create a low-effort routine, keep things simple, do tasks in small chunks. Even if you do 60% of what you planned, that's still progress. Stop waiting for perfect motivation. It's not coming. And here's something that instantly upgrades your vibe. Keep your space clean. Not perfectly aesthetic 24/7s, but at least not messy. Your environment affects your mood more than you think. A clean space makes you feel more in control, more productive, and honestly, more like that girl. Now, confidence. Listen carefully. Confidence is not about how you look. It's about how you carry yourself when nobody is hyping you up. Start doing small things that build self-trust. Keep promises to yourself. If you say you'll wake up early, try. If you say you'll take care of your skin, do it. Every time you follow through, your confidence builds naturally. And stop comparing your glow up to others online. You're seeing their best moments, not their real life. Focus on your own progress. Even small changes matter. So this summer, your glow up is not just clear skin and cute outfits. It's calm mornings, active days, a clean space, and quiet confidence. Because being that Pinterest girl is not about looking perfect. It's about living in a way that feels put together, peaceful, and real. Okay, bestie, if you made it till here, You're already that girl in the making. If you actually liked this video and it helped you even a little, don't forget to subscribe, because I make content just like this. Glow up, self-improvement, study tips, everything to help you become your best version. And please, share this with your friends too. Let's not glow up alone this summer. Let's make the whole group glow together.